B, and this is Sierra B Does Science. Today, I am going to be making a mess. Actually, a foamy mess. This one's actually really easy to do. All it is baking soda and vinegar. And also, if you want, you can add a little bit of food coloring and maybe even glitter. Step 1, pour in the baking soda. And step 2, what I'm going to do is add in food coloring. And now, for the glitter. Wow, that is very orangey glittery. You excited, guys? Because here comes the vinegar. Here in it comes. Whoa! I'm gonna take a step back a little bit. Huh, it didn't make a crazy mess. It's just sizzling. I wonder what happened. Alright, here we go. Whoa! It barely got over the edge. A couple splatters. Thought it was going to be a mess. It makes a cool noise. The last jar I used was too big, so it didn't really fizz out of the jar. Now I've replaced it with a smaller one. You ready? Are you ready? Oop. Gonna do it quick and easy. Uh-oh. Whoa, this is what I love to see. Golden bubbles! That's funny. That is so cool. I like how that bubble took a while to pop. Didn't really get all of the stuff out, but it looks so cool. That was awesome! When these golden and blue bubbles form, they take a long time to pop. Wow, the gold mixed with the blue is just so pretty. Reminds me of the Hawaii ocean. Bet your grandma's been there. And this all happened because when you mix baking soda with vinegar, creates carbon dioxide gas, which makes the bubbles form and made it go foaming out. This is what's called a chemical reaction. Makes explosions and finds some gas. Look out, here comes science